Hi, I'm Kevin and welcome to this JoinedUpMinute looking at epoxy crystallisation. Now, epoxy crystallisation typically happens in the resin side of a two-part epoxy, which can be packaged perhaps in something like this, like a twin pack, in a cartridge like this, or in bulk packaging. Now, when the resin is clear, it can perhaps look a little bit milky, but it will feel a bit gritty, which are the small crystals starting to form. If crystallisation has really set in, then it could be completely solid. Epoxy crystallisation is typically caused by long or short frequent exposures to temperatures below room temperature, often seen in storage or during shipping. Epoxy crystallisation is difficult to predict, but once a crystallised seed is formed, it will spread throughout the packaging in the resin side. If you experience epoxy crystallisation, don't worry. Your product isn't faulty and the effect is completely reversible. Simply put your resin in its packaging in a warm place or an oven for 6 to 8 hours at 40 degrees C or 2 to 4 hours at 60 degrees C, or until all of the crystallisation has disappeared. If you're experiencing epoxy crystallisation, then please refer to our blog post, which is linked in the description below, or reach out to one of our sales teams and they'll be happy to help. But let's start by talking about your application.